Right. So we will discuss. Now here, what they have asked, the first question they have asked, uh, which of the following statements is are correct regarding an expert system? Okay, so this is the second paper, right? So what they have asked, which of the following statements is are correct regarding an expert system? It can be one or more than that. Okay? They have given 5 options. That means only one statement will be correct. Okay, they are asking the correct statement. So they have asked, it is a process business transaction. No, if it is a business transaction, we are going to use the expert system for the time card and for that transaction processing system. Okay, it uses the transaction data to produce information needed by the managers to run the business. They are asking the management information system, MIS. Okay, right? So that is wrong. It is tailored to the unique information needed of executive information systems. Okay. Then it captures and reproduces the knowledge of an expert. So that will be the answer. So the first one, so the answer will be fourth one. In expert system, you want to have the in expert system, mainly we have discussed about 3 main things. The user interface must be there, the knowledge base, and the inference engine, right? Okay. So in an expert system, the user interface must be there. So that through the user interface, you can communicate with the system. Okay, user interface. Then we have discussed inference engine. So the queries are going through this query, and you have the knowledge base. You have the knowledge base. So when you consider about the expert system, mainly you have the user interfaces, you have the inference engine. That means the queries are going through that. The queries are the necessary criteria are processed by this thing, and the knowledge base will be there. Okay. So expert system. So what they have given, it captures and reproduces the knowledge of an expert. So what we have to do when we are developing an expert system, we have to interview the experts, and we have to take the knowledge, and that knowledge we are storing in the knowledge base. Okay, right. Then they have fifth one, what they have given as MIS preliminary serves the functions of planning, controlling, and decision making at the management level. So decision support systems. Okay, so mainly this is coming under system lesson. So whatever the important things you have to write down, copy down. Okay. So first we have discussed about transaction processing system, then the management information systems, then executive support systems, then decision making systems, and the expert system. So these are the things that we have discussed. Right. Second one, which of the following is true regarding waterfall approach of the software development? So what are the other approaches that we have discussed? What are the other models? Yeah, spiral model, agile model, yes, rapid application development, and prototype, right? So these are things that we have discussed. When you consider about the waterfall model, what will happen? The requirements are clear and stable. The requirements are clear and stable, then you can do whatever the necessary things, right? But you can develop the system. When you are developing this system, they have given a structure. So that structure you have to follow. Some steps are there. So after you have finished one step, you can't go back to the previous step. Okay, right? So what they have given here, which of the following is true regarding waterfall approach of the software development? It is best suited for the projects where the requirements can be clearly defined. Yes, correct. That is correct. It groups the development activities into sequence of consecutive phases. Yes, phases are there. For each and every phase, they are having some kind of stages. So consecutive phases are there, right? So this will be yes, correct. It has a rigid process which is less flexible. Yes, correct. Why? It is not like after you have moved to the next phase, you can't go back and the modifications are not allowed. Okay, so A, B, C. Then it does not encourage the top down. No, that is top down. Top down approach. So you are going with some stages. Top down approach. So that is wrong. In waterfall model, we are following top down approach. Then part E, they have given logical designing activities are not carried out. Logical design, planning, everything is going with that. Okay, so the answer will be A, B, C only. So the first one will be the answer. Second question. First one will be the answer. Right. Then third one, they have given Fano map, K map. Why we are using K map? To simplify the yes Boolean expressions. To simplify the Boolean expression. Here they have given three variables. So if it is three variables, all these things are going on 0, 0, then this 0, then 0, 1, then 1, 1, then 1, 0. So here you can see when you are writing this, what we have to think about every time you have to think about that consecutively. Here, the nearest value, adjacent values. Here 1, it is also this is 1, this is also 1. This is 0, this is 0. Why? When you have in this one, may become some of the value. Okay. So the adjacent values are equal like this. Okay. So this thing can be like this thing can be start with this one. 0, 1 can be start. So 0, 1, 1, 1. Then 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so what has to be there? Like these things must be equal. Okay, right? So make a margin, so it doesn't matter. But the adjacent values must be same. Okay, yeah. So whatever important things if you don't know this, just point out because for the MCQs they are asking this. Then 0, 1, they have given for this A variable, we can take 0 and 1. So I have put that. So 0, 0, then 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, they have given. They have highlighted this. They have grouped this. So you all know one is we are using for SOP, sum of product. 0 is using for product of products. So here they have given product of. Okay, fine. So for the zeros, we are taking the variable. So that means A and A. So if it is like 1, we are taking the complement of variable. So that means A. Okay. Product of sum. Product of sum. So we are considering about this one. When you consider about this one, this is 0. So 0 means this 0 is common for this both. So I am taking this variable, that is A. By 0, we are taking the variable. Now when you consider about top, here B and This is P. 0, 0. And here this is 0 and 1. This has changed. The C is changed. C has changed. So A 0, B here plus B. Okay. Right? Then when you consider about this one, here A is 1. A is 1 means what? A bar. This A is common for this both. Remember, me 1 means basically common. Yeah, B is different, no? මෙතනයි ගත්තා. මේ values වලින් මෙයා 1 මෙයා 1. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ 1 කියන එක මේ දෙකම common. මෙතන 1 මෙතන 0. It is two different values. So that is not common for this. This 1 is common. So that is what? B bar plus B bar. Okay. So here you have so they have marked in a different manner. They have C here. They have C here and AB here. So we can take C. So it will be C plus A, right? And then here it will be C bar plus A bar and A bar, right? So we can write like A plus C dot A bar plus C, something like that. So now you all know when you go through. So the answer will be fourth one. Third one, the answer will be fourth. Clear? Right. Then they have given, consider the following logic gate with the truth table. But you will have to know this. So when you go through here, what you will have to do is this one. When you base through here, you can see this is adder. Okay, right? So we are using adders. Yeah, inside the CPU for this to add 2 bit binary values. 2 binary values. 2 binary values. Okay, 2 bits. Okay, we are using only 2 bits. We are going to add that. Okay, right? Half adder. To do the arithmetic operations, to do the additions. So we are using the half adder. In the half adder, what will happen? They are having 2 bits only. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So here you can give the sum as well as the carry. Okay. Sum with carry. Then that will happen. 0, 0 කියන bits දෙක අපි add කරන්න කියලා. 0 plus 0 it will be 0 plus 1 it will be 1. 1 plus 0 it will be 1. 1 plus 1 0 and 1 is going to be 0. Okay, right? So like this. So this is here when you consider from here, this will be the sum and 1 1 කියන sum එක. Then the 1 is what? That is the carry. Okay. The carry will be taken to the this. So here sum is 0, here 1, then here 1, and here it will be 0, sum is 0, and the carry will be the rest of the things 0, 0, 0. Okay. So when you go through this, what you can see here, it's a kind of XOR gate with using the A and B, and here it will be AND gate. Okay. So what you can do, you can develop the half adder with the use of XOR gate, right? Okay. Now here it will give with the XOR it will give the sum. And here you have A, B. So you are taking A, taking B, and here with AB it will give the carry. So what will happen? Here you have 2 inputs. Here you have 2 you can develop with the XOR gate as well as with AND gate. In detail දැනගන්න. Okay. So this is mainly using for what purpose? To add two bits. Okay. One bit, one bit. So we are adding this. So with that, okay. Right. So what they have given, complete the following. They have given the figures P, Q, then R, S. So P is 1, Q is 0, R is 0, is 0. So there is that answer. Fifth one, right? So the fourth one is going to be now. Look here. Now we have bits 0, 0, 0. We have that. Right? 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1. Okay. So we have read three bits. For that purpose, what happened? They have introduced one full ladder, right? Full ladder. Full ladder normally has how many half adders? Two half adders. Well, so A, B, I have the half adder. If you give the sum A, B. Right here we have the sum of the half adder. Okay. Partial sum. Partial. Part क्या कितना है ये part है. Then from these two we are having what? We are having a carry. So this carry. Right. Now what will happen? Here, right? Whatever the sum that you are getting, you have to add into another. So here, this is the full sum. Okay, here you have a partial. Right? Then what we have to do? C in, right? Third bit third bit. Between current bits दिखाएं. Third bit का between कौन है ना मेरा signal लेगा. तो मैं signal लेगा. then मैं ने अपने ना signal लेगा. मैं C in. इना मैं आपको तो मैं नोरे मैं between की हिला. between का करेक्ट. Now what will happen? That may signal AB वगैरह देना signal देना मेरी AB वगैरह देना signal देगा ना A के B के ना signal लगा के ना इधर काफी बेहतर का signal लगा कर right right बेहतर का signal लगा के बेहतर our signal लगा ना make तावा and लगा this is carrying on this side. Okay, it must make it up the now these four okay another O gate and here you have the C. I will take that is as C out. Okay, so when you are developing, so you can see one half adder, another half adder. Okay, develop the full adder, you need two half adders and a O gate to combine this. Can you understand? Well, got it. Now here using C A B C. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now you have to take the sum. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, so when you add this one here, C out. Okay, 0 1 1 1 1. Yes, yes. sum is 0 and the carry will be 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, then again 1. Okay. 1, 0, 1, 0, here 0, it will be 1. Okay. 1, 1, again, yes, 0 and 1. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So you can see. Now, if you would simplify, if they have asked to simplify, but I'll take this here. So you can put it to again. So here we will take A, B, C. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So I can mark it 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 is 1. Then here 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, this will be 1. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. So how you can do, like, you all know how to use the logic, like how that. So here it will be A is common, C is common. A, C. Okay. So when you consider about this one, this will be B and C. This will be A and okay. So the C out is equal to A C in plus B C in plus in B. So with the AND gate and with the O gate, right? So you are having the AND and with the O gate you can develop that. Okay. So try to understand because the interval second paper. So you will have to know the concept. You will have to know the concept. What is the difference between the half and the full adder? In the half adder, they have used only 2 bits. They are using to add 2 bits only. But when you consider about the full adder, you can add 3 bits. So in the half adder, you are having XO gate and gate. Here you have 2 half adders. So 2 XOs, 2 and 1 more to add the carry. Okay. So what is the similarities? It has a sum and the carry. 2 outputs will be there. 2 outputs. So මේක පුතට මට කියන්න ඉස්සරහට අහන්න තියෙන question එක. විභාගෙදී අහන්න තියෙන question. ඒතර මේ difference ටික මම ලියාගන්න. Right. Then fifth one, consider the following table. What will be the values for this? So the final answer will be fifth one 0, 0, 0, 0. Answer will be second. Correct. Here. Okay. Second again, how is it? Cut again. Yeah. ඒක explain කරනකොට කියන්න ගමු. X no එකයි තියෙන මේ. Okay then. Question number 6. Which of the statement about the coding systems? So coding systems, right? Coding systems. They are asking about the coding system. Right? Now, when you consider about the coding system, now think about the ASCII. Okay. So we are using, like, when you type A, it will be 6. Okay. So that how you can represent that? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So with the help of 7 bits, it will be representing the necessary character. So they are using 7 bits in ASCII, 7 bits to represent this character. So 7 bits means that altogether how many characters, different characters you can represent 100, 128. Okay, 128 different characters, symbols can be represented this. Okay, so that was not enough. So because of that, in the IBM they have introduced FC. So they have used 8 bits to represent the characters and symbols. So 2 to the power 8, 256, 256 different characters can be used. But that is also not enough because now think about Sri Lankan language, Sinhala, Japanese, Chinese. There are many different characters. Because of that, later they have introduced something called Unicode. They have used 16 bits. So 2 to the power 16, 65,536 different symbols can be represented. Then they have introduced 32-bit Unicodes. These are emojis and everything. Okay. So ASCII, EBCD, Unicode. But they have introduced something called BCD, binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. For what purpose? To represent the decimal numbers. Right? What are the decimal numbers that we are having? 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, to represent the decimal numbers, they have introduced something called binary coded decimal. So in here, they have used 4 bits. So 0 represents 0, 0, 0, 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. But now you can see 2 to the power 4, 16 different symbols are there. But here they have used only 10 symbols. So the rest is not using. So 1001 is the last. 1010 it's not using. Because decimal numbers, it is using to decimal numbers only. 1011 it's not using. 1100 it's not using. 101 it's not using. 1110 not using. 1111 it's not using. So these 6 symbols, okay, 6 combinations, they are not going to use. In binary coded decimal, they are using from 0 to 9, they are using 4 bits. So you all have to know the pattern. Now, if they have asked, I would try 123 decimal number, then what will be type on the screen? So 0001, 0010, 0011, BCD. So this will be the answer. Okay. So each decimal number representing a binary 4 digits. Okay. So what they have given? Which of the following statement about the coding systems that are used to represent the data in the computer is correct? The first coding system is IBM used in IBM computers is Unicode. That's wrong. Okay, they have used LCD. Only 7 bits are used in the character, and the other bits used in the check digit in the ASCII. ASCII, yes, they have used 7 bits. All the other things for other things, but we'll see. BCD and EBCD coding systems are used only to represent decimal numbers. No, EBCD they are having 256. So characters also there. That is wrong. EBCD is a coding system which is compatible with the modern encoding. No, modern encoding they are using Unicodes. ASCII coding systems is used to represent most languages in the world. No, they are using Unicode. So the answer will be second one. Sixth one answer will be second. Yes, clear name? Huh? So මේ අවශ්‍ය දේවල් ටිකක් පුතා ලියා ගන්න. මේ paper discussion එකේදී වෙන්නේ ඒක තමයි. තමන්ට අවශ්‍ය දේවල් තමන්ට හම්බෙලා නැති දේවල් හරියට මේක කරගන්න. Right. Then they have given what of which of the following statement is correct? about multi-core processor. When you consider about the multi-core processor. Now here in the new generation computers, they are having multi-core processors. Multi-core processor. When you consider about the multi-core processor, here you have multi-cores 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. Okay. So here you have this. So physically, this is physically you can see as a one CPU. You can see as a one processor. But logically it has divided into 4 separate. So that means what? That means what? It can run 4 processors at the same time. Okay, at the same time it can run 4 processors. Okay, for each and every process they are using PCB. What is PCB stands for? PCB stands for process control block 2. Process control block 2. So for each and every process, they have to store all the details about the process. They have to store all the details about the process. Okay, all the details about the process. Right? So normally you all can remember for each and every process ID will be there. This is a integer value. Integer value. They have given on the syllabus. I have given the note. Process ID. For each and every process number. These things are identified by what? By the operating system. Operating system can make process and make up a nowadays, what you can do? You can listen to a music while you are using the music. You are programming. You are typing the music. Or while you are listening to the music, what you are doing? You are like browsing the internet, right? Okay. Think about that. So multiple processes are going on the same time. Multiple processes are going in the same time, simultaneously. So that is why, because of the multiple. If you have a single processor, okay, one CPU only, CPU one, then what will happen? They have introduced a mechanism. What is that? Context switching, right? Context switching. They are giving some kind of time period or something. On that, context switching will be there. Right? Kalau kita proses 1 එකක් තියෙනවා, process 2 එකක් තියෙනවා, process 3 එකක් තියෙනවා, මේ ඔක්කොම run කරනකොට එක වෙලාවක එක process එක run කරනවා. But what will happen? Even though they are using the single processor, what will happen? With the help of the context switching, මේක ගිහිල්ලා ටික වෙලාවකින් අපෝ shift වෙනවා මේකට P2 එක activate වෙනවා P2 එක. ඊට පස්සේ P3 එක activate වෙනවා. So they have given some kind of times round robin. So අපේ OS lesson එක බලමු. මෙතන කියලා තියෙන මොකද්ද? There are 2 or more independent processing units, independent processing units in a computer. Yes, we'll keep that. The processor that executes the parts of a various program. A processor, yeah, a processor, right? It has cores, yes, programs at the same time. Okay, we'll keep that. Multiple instructions run in a single processor. Multiple instructions in a single processor, that is context switching. Only single instruction can be run in the multiple cores. Only single instruction. The performance of the computer gets low by using core. So the best suitable answer is first one. There are 2 or more independent processing units or cores in the computer. Okay. Seventh one. Right. Yeah, they have mentioned one processor. Okay, so they are asking about the cores. Okay, they are asking about the cores. That's why that answer, like, that is also correct. If they have given about the core, yeah, correct. But they have mainly mentioned about the processor execute the part of the various program at the same time. Okay. 8 1. So if they are asking you at this number 5AE 16 plus 3578. So I am doing 5AE 16. I'm bringing it to binary 0101. Okay, 1010. This is A. This is 5. Then E is 14. 1110. Okay. Then this one 357 base 8. So 011 101 111. So we are having binary numbers 101 1010 1110. So here you have 111, then 101, then 110. So you are going to add 110. One is going to the other side. So 110 011 1 is going to the other side. 110 011 1 is going to the other side. 110 1 is going to the other side. 110 1 is going to the other side. 1 is going to the other side. 0 1 is going to the other side. 1. Now they have given the answer. They have given the answer in hexadecimal, right? It's 16. So what you have to do if it is 16? You have to go 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. So here you have 1 2 4 8 8 plus 4 12 and 13 13 1 2 4 8. So that is 9 1 2 4 8. So that is 6. So I'm taking 6 9 13 is what? A 10 B 11 C 12 D 13. That will be D and 16. So this will be the answer. So answer will be in one. Answer will be second. Now we are moving to the ninth question. We are moving to the ninth question. Which of the following is bitwise logical operations? So they have given the bitwise logical operations. Bitwise logical operations. XO they have given XO. XO. So what will happen? 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Then the next one will be 1 0 1 1. Then 0 0 1. So they are asking the XO operation. So in XO operations, what you know? XO. So if you have 2 bits, what will happen? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So they are asking about the XO. A XO B. A XO right directly XO B. So 0 0 0 1 1 0. So they should be okay. So that is the concept. 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. This will be the project answer. First one will be the answer. Then we are having member reads book. Member reads book. Right? So when you consider about the library system, member reads book. One member can read many books. One book can be read by any number of us. I make customer item again. When you go to the supermarket, one person can purchase one piece of cake. You can make it eatable order copies. Okay, and here you have hours, hours, right? So here the cardinality will be made into me. Cardinality here the cardinality will be made into me. Right, member. Here we have NIC. So the member can be identified with NIC. Then date of birth. Then they have given the member name. So that is they have given F name. Yes. And the name. So last week we have discussed about this. In the make understand. They have given ISBN number as well as book name as well as author. Right. Now, what will happen? Write the relational schema. ये ER का देते हैं ER के relational schema Oh, right, right. So the card even India and the many relationship and how the relationships are going on. Say that. Relational schema we are going to write. So the table name and the attributes must be there. NIC, the primary key, date of birth. Then here you have attribute with subject. So we are not going to take this one. We are taking these two. F, name, L, name. Then you have book, ISBN, B name, author. Then reads, take many to many relationship. We have discussed last week. Many to many relationship we can't develop in the system. If we go to develop, we have to remove the many to many relationship. So I'm taking reads. What will happen? The primary key from this table NIC. Then primary key from this one ISBN. That is becoming composite primary key now. This attribute will be added to this table. Now, how you have written the relational schema. These are the three tables related to that scenario. Three tables. Now, what they are asking? What is the correct relational schema? Right in the ER. What we have done ER diagram, we have converted to the relational schema now. Yeah, right. So the answer will be which one? Take one, the answer is check the answer. Check the one. the answer will be fourth one. What they have given, 11th one they have given. Consider the following statements about the ER diagram above. M name is derive, derivative attribute. No. Derivative attribute after me. The cardinality of the entries is many to many. Yes. The hours is the primary key in the relationship. The hour is a no. It is a descriptive attribute. So the answer will be B only. Second one. One part, answer will be second. Suppose relationships that the above relational database tables forgot to specify the primary key when creating the table name book. Table name a book. What is the appropriate SQL commands to include the primary key? So we have to go with alter. In SQL, we have discussed about two different things: DDL, data definition language, and data manipulation language. So here we have discussed about the create command, then alter command. So what else? Drop and terminate. Terminate means what? Normally we are deleting all the records to free the space, storage, something like that. So with the terminate, what you can do, you can remove all the records to free the storage. So we are having create, put and drop. So here in EML, select, then update, yes, insert, then delete. Okay. So what you can do here, you are developing a structure. Here you are operating the reports. Mainly here we are discussing about the table structure. Here we are discussing about the data set. Mainly what we can do to the data set. Data වල ඒ කියන්නේ table එකේ තියෙන data වලට මොනවද කරන්න පුළුවන්? delete කරන්න පුළුවන්, insert into update කරන්න පුළුවන් ඒකේ තියෙන attributes වල තියෙන values select කරන්න පුළුවන් what will the values according to some criteria. Okay. So the SQL commands DL, EDR, data definition language, data manipulation language. So create, alter, drop, terminate. So think about this. Drop means the whole structure is dropped. That is not available. If you have used delete, the data will be deleting, the structure will be there. With the create, you can create a structure. Alter, you can do some modification to the structure. You can change the column names. You can add the column names with the help of the alter key. Primary key then you can use the alter. Okay. Right. So what they have given here? What is the appropriate SQL statement to include the primary key for the table? Primary key for the table. So how you can add alter table name, and primary key, and within bracket you can use whatever the column that you want. So the answer will be fifth one. No, set keyword we are not using there. In update we are using the set keyword. Okay. So normally we are using add, drop, modify like that. Okay. So what we have to do, they have forgot to do that. So because of that, we have to add that primary key. So answer will be 12 part. Then what is the SQL statement to delete all the attributes in the book table as authors, data, Edward? Now they have given a criteria. Now they have given a criteria. How you can use the delete command? Delete. Yeah, delete from the table name. What is the table name? Book. Right? Delete table. Yes. From the what table? Right. All. So we are not like select all. Yes. Right. Delete. Now delete from book means we are deleting all the things. We have not mentioned whatever the field that we need. Okay. Delete from book. But from book where author is equal N1. N1. So this will be the answer. So answer will be the fourth one. Then 14th one. What is the appropriate SQL statement for selecting all the data in the record with data starting with the letter C? Data starting with the letter C in the first name field, the student table. The student table. Now remember, they are asking to start with some letter. So what is partial rule? We can use like, yes, like then you can do with C, like then you can do with percentage C, percentage, and like C, percentage. So ending with C, in middle you have C, and starting with C. So what they have asked, what is the appropriate SQL command to select the data in the record, data starting with the letter C, first name, field student name. Select all from student where first name space like space C percentage. So the answer will be 14th one. Answer will be 15. Then 15th one. Consider the following statement with the blank labels A and B. So what they have given? When processing, that all the instructions are processing inside the the CPU uses space to temporarily store data. Data temporary store කරගන්න CPU එකේ තියෙන දෙකයි register එකයි and the cache memory, right? Data that are brought from what the data is taken from the primary memory. So primary memory and the register, right? Register and the primary memory. So the answer will be second one. 15th one. So the answer will be second. Check this one. With this, find out how many number of here. Well, good. Learning, good. Right. So we are moving to the essay type questions. Check the first one. So this is full question, 15 marks. Check it. Read your answer and get prepared to discuss the question. Answer එක බලන්න. කියවන්න හොඳට. අපි discuss කරමුද? Questions you can ask. This way interact කරන්න. draw the entity relationship diagram to the system with denote your assumptions clearly. So whatever things that you like think, this is good for this question, or you want to add anything, yes, you can add, but you have to write that assumption. You have taken like something like this. They have given a scenario. In this scenario, now you are like acting as a system analyst, right? You are going to design something as a system designer, as a conceptual designer. They have given the scenario, so you don't have the owner, so you can't question them. So because of that, you can take the assumptions. Okay. So a vehicle marketing company for green vehicle, buy vehicles from the registered suppliers. Okay. So vehicles, and they are having vehicles. So we are writing singular name. Vehicles business supply. Well, this from supply. Right. So so one vehicle can be purchased from one supplier. One supplier can supply many vehicles to the company. So this is kind of assumption. Assumption like one vehicle. So think about a vehicle, specific vehicle. With each and every vehicle, it has its own unique IDs. So one vehicle can purchase from one supplier. So one supplier can supply many vehicles to the company. So this is the kind of assumptions I have here. So they haven't given that. So I'm thinking like this. So assumption you can write. Okay. One vehicle supply purchases from one supplier, and one supplier can sell many vehicles to the company. I have taken that assumption. Okay. Right. Then what they have done? Vehicle. When purchasing the vehicle, the registration number they have given registration number. You are not giving any space. With the registration number, you can identify the vehicle. Then the time as well as purchase price will be there recorded. Yes, vehicle registration number, time, and the purchase price will be there. The supplier has supply number. You can give supplier number. Okay, sub number. So that is sub number is supplier's number. Okay, right. Supply number, then the name and the email. Okay, email address. So these are the attributes. Customers come and inspect the vehicles and order the vehicles. Vehicle order by customer. One vehicle ordered by one customer. One customer can order many vehicles. So that is another assumption that I have taken. Okay. One vehicle ordered by one customer, and one customer ordered and order many customer and the inspector order the vehicle. The national identity card using NIC national identity card. Then they have given telephone number and they have given address. So I have taken here NIC is national identity card number. So any person who is going through, they know what is NIC, right? They don't have this description, right? Telephone number address available for the identification of the customer. The vendor and the company make the orders from each customer. Okay. Customer orders from vendor. Right? Vendor means a person inside the company. One customer going to that specific person, one vendor. One vendor can handle many orders. So I have given the cardinalities. That is my assumption. So you have to write that. So half an hour is there for this question. So all the assumptions you have right. Okay? All the things that you have taken, yes. Everything you have to mention. Okay. Vendors at the order each customer. They are an employee number. EMP number. EMP number. Then the name of the vendor. Then the phone number. Phone number. Right, I said. Order processing includes order number. Right. So here customer order. The process is there. Right. So in the order process, they have given order number. That is the primary key. Then the specific date. Then discount. Discount and the amount. And the amount. Amount will be there. So here. Now, when you consider about the specific order number, so that order number and specific date is there. So that order, for that order, there's a discount, and the discounted amount is there. A single customer can request multiple orders, can make multiple orders. But one order is belongs to one customer. One vendor can do many orders, and one order can done by only one vendor. So that assumption is there. The special price will be awarded to each and every order for promotion sales. Then special promotions, they have done a special price. Special price is going on. That special price for special orders. The customer and the order must be there to give the special. The price will be determined by the order. Price will be determined by the order. Yeah. What are the next equations? So if you have here the equal what can this so this is meaning to them. Okay, the equal order we are going like the equal order the variables. Okay, and this order is another yeah they have given a unique ID for them. So it's another orders. Now think about the invoices in the so if you have anything else, you can ask. Promotional activity, so that special price is there. These relationships you can put. So here it's N, here what? Here M, here what? Here M. This one. Customer order from order basis. Here what? N. This one was made. One customer. So here you have many two. And then so you can write that up. So here and here, many two. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 entities are there. Ternary entities. Here you have binary. Binary. Okay, clear? Go through, read, and ask the questions. Okay. So you can use marks. Medical, you have identified this one mark, supply 1 mark, and giving supporting other 1 mark. Meaningful relationship figure, partner is 1 mark. 5. Private is private is attributes in 5 marks. Then the meaningful relationships, the relationships tiga 5 marks. So together 15 marks. Read the next question. This is okay now? Answer it yes. When you are doing the same, like when you are reading and doing this ER diagram as well as the data flow diagrams. Okay. Data flow diagrams, then it will be really easy for you all to score in the exam. Okay. So go through that. Now, question number 2. They are asking about the ice cream factory. The flavor, they are taking as A. Color, they have taken as B. Quantity of milk. Quantity of milk. Let's see. It's necessary to contain standard flavor, standard color, and the standard quantity of the milk. Fact for special ice cream production. Even so, chocolate flavored ice cream can be produced in following conditions. So, yeah. So, chocolate flavors ice cream will take cases. So they have taken F, the input signals are A, B, C. With that, it is necessary to contain right quantity of milk, fat, composition in order to flavor ice cream. So it is necessary, that must be there. And the ice cream mixture should have the standard color and the standard flavor when the above mentioned conditions fulfilled. Okay. If the ice cream mixture with the standard quantity, so we'll take A, B, C, 3 factors, then F, A, B, C. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So in our syllabus, we are having three input signals. So what they have given, the standard flavor is represented by where? Okay. If the ice cream mixture with the standard chemical must be there, this must be there. C one in the morning. If the ice cream mixture with the standard quantity of the milk composition does consist of the standard color even without the color, even in the standard color like if the ice cream mixture is the standard quantity of the milk composition does consist of the standard flavor. Standard flavor. So here you have, here also they are producing. Right? That is also right. Ice cream covers are produced out of, that is not relevant to us. The standard will be this. Okay, so these things will be seen. Construct the truth table to represent the chocolate flavor ice cream manufacturing process. Okay, here. So here you can write A bar, B, C. This is A, B bar, C. This is A, B, C. So that how they can produce A bar, B, C plus A, B bar, C plus A, B, C. Now for the truth table, give like maybe A, B go over here, give 6 marks. Write the sum of product Boolean not simplified in the final output to represent the truth table. So if you have this one, give 3 marks. Now simplify the Boolean expression obtained in second one with the Carnot map. So here you are going to use the Carnot map. Here A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So it is activated on 3, 0, 1, 1. Then 5, 1, 0, 1, and the 7. Not simplified. Final output representing the minus of output. Simplified Boolean expression with power map. So we have simplified. Here you can write what is that? B, C. And this one A, C. So the final will be F is equal here. A, B, C is equal A, C plus B. So you are not going to do any other thing. Huh? If it is common, then we can consider C, A plus B equal to whatever, that is wrong. Okay, right? So 3 marks for this one. You have given this one 3 marks. When a answer get a winner, we can get a gata. Then the fourth one, construct the logic circuit simplified Boolean with the NAND gate. So we are having F A comma B comma C is equal AC plus BC. We are having sum of product, because of that we are using 2y double complement A bar bar is equal. Now you have AC dot BC here. So what we have done? Removals. Now you can do that. How? You are having A, C, A, B, C. So here A, here C. You are having AND gate. So AC bar. Then again here BC. So B and C and gate again. Here you have. Then again and gate, and this will be F A comma B comma C. Clear? So if you have done these things, 3 marks or together 15. Out of 15, just put how many marks are there. The way you can observation. If you have a sum of product here, if you have a sum of product here, so you can use the double complement and you can apply the NAND gate. So here we have developed the circuit with NAND gate. We have developed the circuit with NAND gate. So we are having these things. Check that. Go through 2-3 times and find out how to do that. We have done last week also, we have done the NAND gate. This week also we have done the NAND gate. So we'll try to do something in no gate next day. Okay. Get ready. The exam you all have to scoop. This is clear. Anything that you want to ask? Right. Now they have asked to write the HTML codes. So when you consider about the third one, here first we are having body. Okay. The body they have given something H1 and it is centered. So you have to use the center tag. Then look fever. Then you are closing center. Then you are closing H1. That's right. Then you are having an image. So that image also centered. So make the center. I'm using center. IMG, SRC, whatever the path that they have given. Then you have to close center. For image, you don't have a closing tag, so you don't want to put any backslash IMG. Then the rest of the things also I can see at center. So I can use center. I'm using P something. Then closing P. Again I'm using P. Using P. Again I'm using P. Closing P. That the guys are there. Still I'm not going to change the close the center tag. Why? Because the links are centered within the page. Now we will have a table. I'm using table. Border. I'm giving one. I can give two with the thickness. Right? Then I have table row. In that table row, I have DH table heading by board and center in the cell. Then loop something. DH you are closing. Again DH. File was here. You are closing DH. Right? Then that row finish. You are closing that here. Now you are having again TR. Within the TR, you are having UL unordered list time is equal. You can say it's this. Now li this is within the table data. Table data li by table using li again li so on links li again li muscles something li again li robots something li exclusive omitting li that table data has finished. Now the next table data. So that is ordered list. Ordered list. Type is the default type 1. Then li. They are giving particular things. The default li again li li li. After finishing everything, you are closing this 3D2 and the starter TR you are closing here. Now the table has finished, so you are closing table. TR for table row, table row, TD for table data, TH for table heading. Right? LI, what is that? List items. UL, unordered list. OL, ordered list. So if you have used TH, that will be bold and center of the table cell. Bold and center. Then for more information, dengue prevention. So if I have to do something, so I'm using that before dosing the body. I'm using H2, this one, H2 for more. What's going on? Then you are having something like A, HREM. Then you are giving the food prevention, you are closing hyperlink, you are closing H2, then you are closing body. HREM hyperlink reference. Hyperlink reference. So they haven't given anything, so you can underline them. If you have given underline, that's okay. For more information, dengue prevention. If you want to clarify anything, yes, you have to ask. Okay. The image I have centered, but the things that we have centered, table everything, right before finishing the body, you have to finish center. We haven't closed that center, but everything that we have started here, I'm closing from here before the body. Check it. So all the contents are in proper order, then you can give 15 marks for that. You have to remember the HTML commands. Now you will have to find out like where you are getting stuck when you are writing the answers. Where you are getting stuck with this. කොහෙද මේ මට මාම හිර වෙන්නේ? හිර වෙන තැන ටික හොයා ගන්න ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ ඒ දේවල් ටික පාඩම් කරන්න තමයි ඕනේ. So within the time period you have to write. So you will wrote the answers within the time period. Good. But now you have to think about how many marks that you have gained from this. Right? Altogether I have given 15, 15, 15 and 15. Altogether 60. So check out of 60 how many marks are there? You got more than 50. Right? If you have got more than 50, that will be okay. But my main point is when I'm discussing, you have to think about what are the things that I have not covered. What are covered වෙලා නැත්නම් මට තව මොනවද පාඩම් කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. So when you are coming next week, you have to cover that thing and you have to cover. So if you are feeling like just like I don't have enough knowledge to write that, I don't have the notes and other things, then you have to talk to me. අර මාව මෙතන හිරුණා සර්. මට මේ එහෙම දෙයක් තියෙනවා මම මොකද කරගන්නේ කියන එක. නිකන් බය කරන්නේ නැහැ. දෙවෙනි සැරයක් කරන්න තියාගන්න නැහැ. First time මම මේක ඉවරයක් කරගන්න ඕනේ. Then when you are doing the ICT, the experience is the most important thing, right? So go through this. If you can at least 2-3 times type the code and get familiar with the things. We have to be more practical. We have to be more practical. So you have to think, my one customer can order several orders. Think practically the concentrate practically orders ගොඩක් දාන්න පුළුවන්. එයා වාහන දෙක තුනක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. How many marks? But then, so can you go through and you, yeah. So what I can do, I'll put it to the, you are in the group, right? So I'm going to go to the, both are the share, but it's okay. Some are manageable, right? However, achievement part. So what I can do, I'll go on the notes, just go through that. Make a calendar. Question we have to do this one. We have to remember the codes. That's like Python, we have to remember the codes. But this is easy, but wasting time, right? If you can do the networking question, DFT, ER, and the logic gate, that's enough. Sometimes the programming question is really easy. But sometimes this HTML question asking for the structured paper. Not only HTML, CSS. Later we have discussed about the PHP. Right. For today, yes,